Hey everyone, Ian Highlands here, and today I wanted to talk to you really quickly about some filters that I use, specifically star filters. In this picture of Eric Porter that you can see there, that I posted a couple weeks ago, there's a bright star where the light is in the middle of the picture, and a few people asked me how I created that star and how I positioned it so that it blocked the light stand and you couldn't see the light stand in the picture. So, star filters. This is a star filter. This is a 6-point star filter. This is the actual one that I used to create the star in that picture. And it's a special sheet of plastic, filter plastic, and it has a star pattern on it on one part of it. And you can see as I slide it across in front of a point source, a point light source, that it creates a star. And I can rotate it and I can move it, and you'll see that it only covers part of the frame. So I can position it so that there's a star in part of the frame and not in other parts of the frame. I also have a 4-point star filter where the star is dead center in the filter, little dot, and I can slide that to, different positions in the frame by rotating it. And I've got an 8-point star filter. So star filter, it mounts in a filter holder. This is my Lee filter holder. And I don't know if you can see, but it's got room to fit 3 filters in it. And the filters simply slide in like this, and then by rotating and moving this, we can position it in different spots of the frame. We can turn it however we want. So this mounts onto the front of the lens. There's a lens ring that goes on the front, and different sizes for different lenses. This just mounts on there like that. And then when I point this at the light source, you can see in the camera here, as I move it around, I can change the position of it, put the star where I want, and get a really cool effect. So that's the star filter. This one is a 6. I've got a 4. I've got an 8, as I said. I also used this 6 in this picture of Carlo Dieckmann from about the same time period at Hidden Valley, and I've used them for a few other things as well. Really cool. You can also get a whole bunch of other filters, graduated neutral density, like the neutral density filter in Lightroom. Back before we used Lightroom and Photoshop for everything, we used filters to get a lot of cool effects. That's it for today. Hopefully this has been helpful and you learned something about star filters. Have an awesome day. Oh, and also one more thing. If you like this video, be sure to hit the like button down below. And if you want to see more of this kind of stuff, hit the subscribe button as well. See you soon.